In this chapter, we will discuss how to teach children about geometry. We will discuss how geometry is the foundation for future and higher mathematical understanding, reasoning, and problem solving. Within the chapter, the author provides 15 strategies to teach geometry at the preschool level. Think about your observations during the course. Where and when did you see these strategies, principles implemented in the classroom? What types of activities are needed to support teaching geometry with young children? Write a 1 to 2 paragraph reflection and share your thoughts with your instructor via the LMS inbox. Title your subject line Geometry in Pre-K. Try one of the activities listed in the text beginning on page 144 to 175 with a child or a group of children. Record the reactions from the children and how they responded to the activity. Send your observations in a short 2-paragraph report to your instructor via the LMS inbox. Title your subject line as following: Exploring Outcomes, Chapter 5. After reading pages 175 to 176, choose one or two of the suggested adaptations and apply them to one of the activities listed in the chapter. Share this with your instructor via the LMS inbox. Title your subject line Making Adaptations. Review the geometry vocabulary on pages 177 to 178. Choose 3 vocabulary words. Decide on an age group and then create a way to introduce the vocabulary words to children. Be prepared to share with your peers via an announcement provided by your instructor.